Hello, Scrappy Peeps! Suzanna here today, and I'm sharing with you this pocket page created using the October Crafty kit from PaperPerson. This is part of a collaboration that I do with my friend SaraScraps. It actually started as a U pick 5, and then, I didn't do so well with the pick 5. I didn't like the things that I was creating, so we just decided that we would share twice a month things that we are creating with our kits. So this is my second share with you using the October Crafty kit. So this kit is all about, well, it's not all about, but it is largely about things for us paper people, our paper crafters, and has a lot to do with crafting. So there are a 4x6 stamp set that includes not just scrapbooking, but journaling, so planners, and there's some sewing in there. So I have 3 pictures. You can see them that go down on the diagonal of the pocket here. This is a 9x12 pocket, and the top left picture is of me in my space. I stand to scrap, and my camera set up. And then the center photo is of my essentials. So my glue, my scissors, my primary pens, my acrylics, my liquid glues, and then some miscellaneous things. And then the bottom right picture is primarily my desk and my desk setup there. So I realize that I don't really do much as far as scrapbooking or documenting that. And so this was kind of a great way to do that. I was forced to do that in a way. So I have the cut apart cards, and I've cut some of them down, as you can see, like I'm doing here, to layer it. And then that yellow card, it's a 4x6 that I folded in half so I could add some additional journaling, because what you see here is primarily, the middle left pocket says favorite supplies, so that's answered. And the top right pocket says, here are the details. So I started scrapbooking my old scrapbooks, my personal scrappy style, and I just wanted to talk a little bit more about my space, and so that's going to go in that orangey yellow card there. This is a shaker pocket created using Spiegel Mom Scraps, and you'd be very proud of me. I used the mix as it is and didn't pull it apart as I tend to do. Pardon my big old head there. My fuse tool is on a short leash per se, and so that's why I'm working on the top left of my screen, is because that's as far as my fuse will go. I am trying to line the liner up with the lines on the glass mat so that I can get a nice straight line there. I have preheated my tool. I've learned that is the key to this, and then going slowly and holding the tool directly upright gives me the best fuse with that. And if you follow my work, you'll know that around this time every year I do a lot of fusing with that fuse tool. So just creating some layers to add a little bit more visual interest to this card, which is otherwise sort of boring just with the phrase there. So I've got it framed, and then I'm going to use a little bit of washi that does not come with the kit. That is me adding some Simple Stories washi from a Tuesday morning stash bash, actually, or stash. The other great thing that comes with this kit are these puffy stickers. I actually bought 2. I liked them that much. I do want you to know that this is the last video that I will likely be sharing with PaperPerson products. I have my November kit still has not arrived, and I'm a little disgruntled about that. I not only had to email and get my shipping code and my VIP discount applied, but I also had to email to get my kit period shipped, and no response email to that, which is somewhat poor customer service if you ask me. The November kit will likely be my last kit that I subscribe to. I will cancel my subscription at that point. Although I like the December kit, so I do think the December one will likely be my last one, which will also be the last of the 12x12 papers. So if you are looking for a kit to subscribe to, yes, there are 12x12 papers that come with this year's kit, but the December kit will be the last that includes 12 by 12 papers. I do wish that Kelly did a stamp subscription because I absolutely love her stamps. So maybe that's something that'll come down the pipe. So I just wanted to add a little bit more visual interest to this particular photo because it does look very similar to the photo that's at the bottom right. So I'm just going to use these stripes across the top, which is perfect for where this picture is actually situated at the top of the page there. This month there are some great die cut elements. They don't always come with the kit, which is something else that I find for the money is pretty frustrating. I don't know that I always felt like I've gotten great value for the money. So I'm going to use these two tags, and they are just going to sit on top of the page protector there. I like to use the top of the page protector as well. So I'm not quite sure what's going to go on the back of this. I think I might use a few more pictures of my scrapbook stash, things that I like that are key to me and my scrapbooking, and then put that at the back and then just leave those open pockets as they are. So you can see I've used a few of the stamps, but they're not really scrapbooking related per se, and I am not a planner person or any of that fun stuff, so I've used the ones that work for me. Unfortunately, this Catherine Pooler on these labels smudged, but it still looks presentable. So that is the finished pocket page. The close-ups are to follow. Be sure head over to Sarah Scraps' channel and see what it is that she has to share with you. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you are doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.